It's impressive how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart.
Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl T. Welcome to Fall Wig Install episode 3. Shout out to Glam Cam. She is the reason why I'm installing Outre's 5x5 lace closure wig. This is in the style Malaysian deep. She's 26 inches and in the color 1B. A quick disclaimer, this wig is not virgin hair, okay? This is very much synthetic. I know it look good, it look like virgin hair, but it ain't. It's not gonna act in any form, shape, or way as a virgin hair unit would. And just look at the price, okay? Why would you think that you would get a virgin hair unit for this price? Come on, sis. Come on. This is her straight out the pack. And look, they gave us baby hairs. Don't play with her. And this is the overall construction of the unit, as you guys can see. And this lace, this closure lace, it was so soft, y'all. Softest synthetic lace I've ever tried. This is the elastic band, but it doesn't adjust. How y'all can give us a glueless wig, but the elastic band is not adjustable? Outre. So this is what the wig looks like on my mannequin head. She's giving scalp. Y'all see those baby hairs? Y'all see the parting space? Okay, the closure is eating. The curls, these Malaysian curls, baby, it's giving virgin hair due. Don't even play with her. They were so soft, very much bouncy. I was like, Outre, y'all blowing my mind. So I put the wig on me for the first time without any customization. I was a little scared, skeptical. I was looking like, what is this? What it is? But the curls are layered, so it was just looking all types of crazy. But anyway, y'all, this is the hairline. I wanted to pull the baby hairs down so you guys can see. I'm also gonna push the baby hairs up into the hairline just in case you don't want baby hairs or don't like them. You can push them into the hairline as well. Come on, where's that at? Oh, it's right here. Look, and the hairline eats with or without baby hairs. Now we're going to get into tinting the lace, okay? This is Red by Kisses tinting spray and the shade Light Warm Brown, and we're just going to tint this lace. Now, y'all know we can't bleach the knots on synthetic units, so this is going to be your best friend when it comes to having the knots looking bleach, okay? I'm telling you, if you haven't tried it, you need to try it. Look at these. Y'all can't tell me this is not growing out of my head, my forehead, because it's giving straight up scalp. Now I'm going in with my AW hair wax stick, and we just going to lightly tap that hairline so we can hot comb it. And I like to do this step before I adhere my wig down because I do not like burning myself. With this way, I can lift up the lace and hot comb it. Y'all see how good that look? Alright, so now I'm just going to cut the lace off. I'm going to start off with my scissors, but I switched over to my eyebrow razors. I want to try using different products, but y'all know I love sticking to what I know. But we just going to cut this off. I'm going in to secure my wig down using my EBIN spray, okay? And I'm just going to go ahead and start with one little spray, and then I'm just going to spray this whole entire section. Now, I spray where my wig ends, the closure wig ends on both sides. And I do this because I'm adhering it down all at once. And I feel like this is great for beginners because you ain't got to struggle with all of that lace, okay? I always say closure wigs are the best wigs to start off, especially for beginners. So now I'm gonna let that product get a little bit tacky. Once it's tacky, my finger will kind of get stuck to it. And now I'm just gonna pull that wig down, and I'm gonna align that lace, the end of the lace, with where the product stops at, okay? And we're gonna press the center down first, and then we're gonna press down the sides. Now, like I said, this lace does have stretch to it, so it can mimic a frontal. So now I'm just going in to spray a little bit more adhesive on the side because the lace did not, stick. And that sometimes happens. So you just go back in, allow it to get tacky, and just lay it down. Now I'm going in with my lace melting spray by EBIN as well, and I'm just going to spray some on the back of a lid and just tap that product into my hairline. And this is just going to make the product blend in more seamlessly. I think I forgot to do the left side. I don't know why, but now I'm going to let this dry down a little bit before I add my elastic band, and I'm going to let the elastic band sit on for about 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off this band, and bam, she is looking like straight up scalp. I feel like I should have made the hairline a little bit more messier because it does look like a straight line across my forehead, but we just gonna make it work. So I'm just gonna do a messy side part. It's not defined, and I'm gonna show you guys what the wig will look like overall, like without me doing no baby hairs. And baby, you definitely can wear it like this because, honey, I like this better than the baby hairs. Okay, she's giving us scalp. Don't play with her. Now this wig in specific is definitely layered, so if you don't like a layered curly unit, don't get it. But look at these curls. I'm just shaking my head because I'm like, okay. And they were so soft. When I say so soft, the hair has not been detangled or anything. This is just what it is, and she's eating. Okay, so for my girls who don't like baby hairs, this is you. This is it. All right, so this is for my girls who do love baby hairs. So I'm gonna do a middle part because we did a side part with no baby hairs. So we're just gonna take that comb, center it in the bridge of our nose, and you just gonna follow that end of the comb straight back up into the middle of your head. Okay, so now y'all can see it look like I bleached them knots. Okay, that was that tinting spray. We're gonna get rid of all of that in a minute. All right, so I'm gonna just straighten the part up because it's still giving crooked. And then we're just gonna go in and take a little bit of that tinting spray off the actual hair strands because it's giving over bleached knots. I'm going in with a little bit of wax again, and we're gonna hot comb this flat. Like I said, I don't like doing too much hot combing because I don't really like the straight roots with the curls vibe, so I'm just gonna do it a little bit, not too much. Now I'm just going in to do my baby hairs. I thought I was recording when I pulled them back out, but I wasn't. I do my baby hairs to my liking, so you can customize them how you like. You can just do the baby hairs that come with the unit, or create your own. I'm taking my 1-inch kiss flat ironing and curling the curls towards my face, so that'll help me swoop easier. Now I'm going in with my Got to Be Glued Freeze Blasting Spray. Now this part actually threw me all the way off because if y'all know me, if y'all watch my virgin hair installs, y'all know I only do this step to mold my baby hairs with virgin hair units. Baby, why did I do this on my synthetic hair and it worked? This texture of hair or whatever hair they got going on for the baby hairs, it was different from what I'm used to working with when it comes down to synthetic units because it actually held. I've tried this method before and it did not stick down. I don't know what they got going on, but I know this method worked for this specific unit. So get you the Got to Be Glue spray and you good to go. Now I'm going in to bump the beginning of my wig. Y'all know I love to do that because I feel like the little bumps, I don't like the curls just hanging all in my face because it just make me look crazy. So I just like to push some of the curls out the way. And now I'm just defining the part using my cream foundation, and I'll have that link below. Now I'm just going in with some of this temporary hair color spray by Red by Kisses. It's in the shade black, and I do this to make the part appear a little bit smaller because like I said, when you tint the lace, sometimes they give that over bleached look, and that's not what I'm going for. Lastly, I'm going in with some mousse to redefine some of the curls I felt got frizzy throughout the wig installation process. And that is going to wrap up today's video. Overall, I'm going to rate this wig a 9 out of 10. I really wish Outre would have provided us with an adjustable elastic band. That way I could wear it glueless, but I feel like it really depends on your head circumference as well. Outre surpassed my expectation. I was not expecting this closure wig to be this bomb. Like literally, I just wasn't. If Sensational Bohemian and Outre Dominica had a baby, it would be this wig right here because baby, she's giving. Okay, everything about her is giving. I haven't experienced any shedding because I haven't went through thoroughly and detangle the hair, which I wouldn't advise because I feel like to maintain the longevity of your curly wigs, please stop playing with it. Keep your hands out of it. But yeah, y'all, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's install. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. All information regarding to this wig will be listed down in the description section below. And until my next video, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.